Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve another problem with Leetcode. Okay, so problem name is ballot parenthesis Leetcode problem number 20. So here I'm gonna share my screen with you. We can search here Leetcode 20. Okay. So here you can see ballot parenthesis. Okay, so given a string s containing just the character, these are the parentheses. I mean these are the parentheses and this one also determine if the input string is valid. Okay, so we are going to find out that it is valid or not. Okay, so open bracket must be closed by the same type of the bracket. Open bracket must be closed in the correct order. Every close bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Okay, so like if input string is valid, then we need to follow these three rules. Okay, so here you can see s equals to this one, so it is true because it has valid parentheses. Okay, open bracket and close bracket. And here you can see this is also true because all three has open and close brackets. Okay, here you can see this is false because it has a round bracket and another is square bracket. Okay, so this is false. This is again true because they have open and close. Okay, here you can see this is also false. Okay, it has one round bracket, circle, half circle, square bracket. Again, we can't close with it. Okay, so this is false. Okay, they are not going to match. So here we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so here I'm going to define one class equals to solution. Okay, here I'm going to define one function is valid. Is valid. Here I'm going to pass self comma s colon str. Okay, so that should be in string, that is input, and here output should be in bool. I want output in bool, that is true and false. Okay, so here string is means this, these are the string equals to this. Okay, so here after this I am going to define one stack equals to empty list. Okay, so that we can store the brackets. Here I am going to use one variable, that is mapping equals to, here inside this I am going to write bracket. Okay, so these are the brackets, open bracket, close bracket, and after this again I'm going to map this with this one. Okay, so I also have comma, here also comma, and here I'm going to write square bracket colon square bracket. Okay, now I am going to use loop for ch in s. Okay, so if ch in mapping dot values, here I need to use colons. Okay, then we need to append stack dot append means I'm going to push. Okay, so here colons. No, I'm going to append what? Ch. Okay, so here I'm going to write condition, that is else. Okay, so if not stack, okay, or stack dot, sorry, stack -1 is not equals to, if not stack or stack -1 is not equals to mapping ch colon. Okay, so then it will return false. Okay, and we can pop, so stack dot pop brackets, and in last it will give you in return stack equals to empty list. Okay, so here I have function that is valid, is valid. Okay, so here I'm going to pass as a input. Okay, so here this is s is our input, or you can say parameter. Okay, and bool, so I want in output bool. Okay, so here this is s. Okay, so we are going to map, okay, break it by using this dictionary. Okay, so here I'm going to take first bracket, curly bracket. Okay, from here. Okay, so current character, that is curly bracket. So I'm going to use for loop for ch in s. So ch equals to this bracket. Okay, from the s. So here, if ch in mapping dot value, so we are going to check this ch is present in here. Yes, this is present. Okay, then what? So before stack is empty, then I'm going to add inside this stack. Okay, like this. So this is the stack after adding this bracket. Okay, so now opening bracket. So here we are going to push this bracket inside the stack, that is ch. Okay, so ch equals to what? Ch equals to this bracket, this one. Okay, so we are going to add this inside this stack. Okay, so again I'm going to check with other bracket, that is square bracket. Okay, so here ch in s means ch equals to square bracket, it's present in s. Yes, so here if if ch in mapping dot value, so we are going to check this present here. Okay, then we are going to push this also here. Okay, like this one bracket. Okay, so here after comma I add this bracket, this is also opening bracket. Okay, so we have different quotes and brackets. Okay, so we can do same thing for every bracket. Now I am going to this round bracket, I'm going to take this round bracket. Okay, so I'm going to check here. Okay, for ch character, that is round bracket, ch equals to round bracket in s. Okay, so ch in mapping, now we are going to check this present here. So I have this here. Okay, this one. So I'm going to push this also here. Okay, okay, so inside this stack I have these three bracket. Now what? Now we are going to take this closing bracket. Okay, so here I'm going to check. Okay, ch in mapping value. Okay, so we have closing bracket in map. Okay, this one. So pop and match. Okay, then I'm going to add this. Okay, this will match. So here Hmm. So here, pop and match. So after curly braces, round bracket. Okay. So I have this and this. Okay. So we are going to pop. If not, stack or stack minus one is not equals to mapping dot ch. Okay. So it will return false and remove the first element. I mean first character. Okay, so after, like, first of all you need to add these element. After this you need to, I mean after adding you need to use push. For adding the character you need to use push, and after this you need to use pop and match. Okay, so here after this, mm, I'm going to take this. Okay, this one. Okay, so here this is our closing bracket. So here I have closing bracket, this one. Okay, this is for open, this is for closing. Okay, so here we are going to use pop. I mean remove this from here. So now we have this bracket, square bracket, and Mm-mm, this one. So after removing this, I got curly braces and square bracket or square bracket. Okay, so here, if not stack or stack minus one is not equals to, okay, both are not equal because we have this one inside this, but we don't have this. Okay, then we need to return false, otherwise you can pop. Return false, and we need to remove. Okay, so after removing, closing round bracket. Okay, now we have these parameter, sorry, these character inside the stack. Okay, parenthesis and square bracket. Okay, after matching, like it will match. Okay, so if not stack or stack minus one is not equals to mapping, okay, then return false and stack dot pop. So here I'm going to store every character inside this. Okay, and we are going to go with this square bracket. Okay, so here pop and match. Okay, so we can check here. I have this, and this is also present in mapping, or here this one also. Okay, then we need to pop this. I mean remove this square bracket, and this will match. Here this is open bracket and this is a closing bracket. Okay, so we remove this one, pop and match. Okay, after this we are going to take this parenthesis. Okay, so we are also going to match and also remove this from the stack. Okay, so these are the matching. Okay, and here I got our empty stack. Okay, so stack is empty at the end, yes, and valid parenthesis, yes, we have true. Now we are going to take one example. Okay, so I have different example for testing purpose. So I need to copy this and paste it here. So here this is the object of class solution. Okay, and here these are the different parentheses. Okay, I am going to check that it's valid or not. Okay, so first one is valid because I have open and closing bracket. Okay, second is also true, third one is also false, this is not true because we have different brackets. Okay, this is also false. Fourth number and fifth number is true. Okay guys, so first of all you need to map here. Okay, and initially you need to write one variable that stack is equals to empty list. Okay, then you need to check if ch in mapping value. Okay, so the character is present here or not. Okay, if it is present, then you need to push it into a stack. Okay, or here after this, after checking its value, like for if ch mapping dot values. Okay, so this is for values, this is the key, and this is the values and values. Okay, so I have three values. Okay, these are present here in mapping. Okay, then we need to push this value. Okay, and here inside in else condition we need to check. Okay, if not stack. Okay, so here we are going to check this is not present, closing bracket, this is not present in the stack. Okay, or you need to take one condition, sorry, stack, this bracket is not present in the stack. Okay, so you can take last, or you can take last. Okay, that is circle, I mean, what is the name of this here, parenthesis, what is this name of the bracket here, I don't know. Okay, so you need to check this is our last bracket. Okay, means top element. Okay, so this is not equals to mapping here, you can check here. Okay, so here this will give you, I mean, you need to remove this and match, and then you need to put this, like you need to remove from the stack. Okay, so here stack equals to stack. Okay, so here I already show you, you need to remove one by one and match. Okay, then you need to say that it is a after, like after empty stack, you find out that it is valid or not. Okay guys, so first of all in this condition you need to find out value. Okay, from the key or from character. Okay, and here you need to like pop. Okay, you need to remove and match. So here in this condition we just remove and match. Okay, so here you can see we match this bracket with this bracket with this bracket with this. Okay, and in the end we got our empty stack. Okay, so this is our result. If it is empty, then it is valid. Okay, I hope you got it.